What's up, everyone? It's the Pepper Ranger, and it's an early morning, and I'm trying to get it in before the construction starts behind me. But I received hot mail from Linda's Fiery Treats, lindasfierytreats.com, and I wanted to review a pod. This is the Fatalii Gourmet Jigsaw crossed with a Big Red Mama crossed with blue Yaki Fawn. It is now called the Orion because that is a mouthful, but I'm gonna give it a taste today. It's a huge pod, ripens to like this purple, I don't even know. It's gnarly looking. I took some pictures, I'll post them on my Instagram, but we're gonna give it a taste. Wow. So I can already tell this is gonna be extremely hot. There's one cross section, bunch of oil. Another cross section, bunch of oil. This is not gonna be fun. I'm gonna save seeds for this because it's a variety I've been looking to try and get, and it came in this box, so I'm gonna keep it. I was trying to find reviews of this pod online on the UBTubies, and the only one I found was from Johnny Scoville. So I'm thinking, unless something wasn't labeled right, I'll be the second person to review this pod. I'm trying to be careful here because I forgot my handy gloves. Looks like some internal proliferation going on here. Little guy in there. I'm just gonna eat half because it is so oily. I think half is gonna be good enough to get a good taste. So yeah, I'll eat this half. And same thing as the Tiger Gum Peach. I'm gonna chew for, I'm gonna try and do 30 seconds, but I think last time it was like a minute. Look at all the oil on that knife. So yeah, here we go. The Orion. Okay. So it's hot. Man, is it hot. It had a really good flavor. We're gonna see how hot this actually gets. But right now it's starting to seem like it's maybe a super hot. If it is, it's a pretty darn good taste and super hot. Super fruity, no hints of floralness. And it is burning my tongue like mad. Tears already started. That was a huge piece. Still have pieces in my teeth. So we'll swallow those. I cannot wait to grow that next year. Not only is it an awesome looking pod, it's huge. That taste was really good. It kind of reminded me, so I've never had any of those three peppers that the cross is made from. Holy cow. But it reminds me of like a Trinidad Maruca Scorpion. A very fruity, mellow taste. And it's just searing my tongue. A little bit in the back of the throat. This is way hotter than the Tiger Gum Peach. probably at like a 6 or a 7, if not higher. Should have brought some napkins with me. It's actually starting to rain, so hopefully it doesn't get up too bad. But yeah, go check out Linda's Fiery Treats. It's like 25 bucks if you're in the US for a small flat rate box. I think mine had close to 30 peppers in it. All unique varieties. I had, actually I'll just show you. Purple Reaper. That is a Golden Reaper. Mustard Reaper. Pretty fantastic. Man, waterworks. So yeah, I say we peaked already. We'll give it about an 8. That was hottest pepper I've had this year, which isn't saying a whole lot, but still incredibly hot. Flavor was really good. Yeah, for 25 bucks, she labels all the pods. She gives you this awesome reference sheet. So she's got 150 varieties, 149 varieties growing. Incredible. I'm gonna do probably a couple more reviews of some of these peppers, and I'm gonna take the seeds out, and then I'll probably make an awesome hot sauce with it. I don't know if you can tell, but the rain is starting to pick up, so I'm gonna pack up and head out. So I'm the Pep Ranger, and this was another pod review of the Orion. That's Fatalii Gourmet Jigsaw, Big Red Mama, Yaki Blue Fawn. You guys have a nice day. Stay spicy. Bye.